Welcome back. It's 4:44 here after a very active, Monday and Monday evening with our thunderstorms. Things are finally winding down, but these were pretty intense storms moving across our states. Damage reports all across South Louisiana, from Lake Charles, the Sulphur areas where we had that reported tornado. Elsewhere, many damage reports, Lafayette, surrounding areas up in Baton Rouge, and a few areas here in our southeast Louisiana. But for the most part, you can see the damage reports becoming a lot more sporadic as you move into southeast Louisiana. This is what's left of it. Rain near the coast in lower Plaquemines Parish, winding down in Grand Isle, Port Sulphur, down to Venice here. We've still got some heavier rain, lightning, and thunder, but this is going to be moving on out. It is still fairly windy. It is going to be windy this morning, so gale warnings are still in effect for our waters. It's gusting to 44 in Shell Beach, 29 just off Southwest Pass there, 28 in Grand Isle, 31 Galliano. Notice calmer winds on the North Shore. That will eventually take over the entire area, and we'll be left with calm winds this afternoon. So rain's going to be departing us. We'll be left with mostly sunny skies this afternoon. Still about a 10 to 20% chance of a pop-up shower until we get this full storm system out of here, but we're not going to see anything major today. No severe weather expected. Temperatures are going to warm up. We'll be up in the mid to upper 80s this afternoon with those clouds thinning out. It'll still be quite warm. There's your 20% chance of showers this afternoon. Not a big deal. And our winds, they'll start to settle down as well as that area of low pressure that developed with this storm system starts to move on out. So our next chance of rain coming in more than likely Friday. Now there's going to be some thunderstorms to our north Thursday night, maybe in our area on Friday during the day, and then clearing us as we head into Saturday. And right now it looks like we'll be drying out by the end of the weekend. So Saturday into Sunday, I have us looking at quieter weather. And the entire weekend not looking like a washout. We are highlighting parts of our area for severe weather. This would come in on Friday, maybe Thursday night into Friday. You can see higher north of the lake into Mississippi and over towards central Louisiana. This is a zone where we have a higher chance of seeing some of those thunderstorms into Friday. So here we go. We're going to clear that mess out. Here comes our next one. Notice it fires up right in the same spot. This is very normal. Fires up in North Texas by Thursday afternoon, and it'll make its way towards our area into Friday morning. So notice this is Friday at midnight, early Friday morning. Storms up along I-20. Some of that trying to work its way down. Models are fairly consistent, though, with the bigger storms north of the lake and into Mississippi. That's why that risk for severe weather is higher on the North Shore than on the South Shore. We'll see if this trend continues. You know how this goes. Sometimes models place it in the wrong spot and time it out a little differently. So we'll watch that. That's Friday morning. Friday afternoon and evening, it's all clearing out, and then we're mostly dry into our weekend here. So we'll be looking, that'll be our next chance and next active weather to watch. So clearing things out this morning, still breezy though. Those winds will settle. We'll be left with about 87 this afternoon. Tomorrow morning looking nice, tad bit less humid. We'll be in the 60s on both sides of the lake, 89 and sunny on Wednesday. Thursday during the day looks mostly dry. Thursday late night into early Friday, maybe some storms rolling in with that low risk for severe weather. So that's the one day we'll be watching there. And then as we head into our upcoming weekend, we'll see things start to dry back out and heat up. We go from 88 on Saturday with a few thunderstorms around to mostly dry and hot near 90 on Sunday.